Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the background color of an image in Photoshop. A great way to add a creative touch to your photos. So we will start by opening our image in Photoshop. Just go to File and click Open to select your image. So once you click on Open, all you have to do is to locate the image you want to edit. Now next is, we need to remove the background. My Photoshop has already been updated and all I have to do now is to click on this one, remove background. Now once the background is removed, all we have to do is to create a new layer and then drag the layer here, and then we can then choose a color that we want for the background. For example, I want white, and then click this one, the paint bucket tool, and then click on the background. See, it automatically changes the color of your background. Now all you have to do is to choose any color here, or choose the color that you want to apply the color to your background image. So once you're satisfied with the background color, save your edited image by going to File and then Save As. After saving, you will be prompted to choose your preferred format. So it's up to you if you will choose JPEG, PNG, and etc. So once it's done, that's it. You now know how to change the background color of an image in Photoshop. It's a simple technique that can really make your images stand out. Now before we wrap up, remember that changing the background color can completely transform the mood and style of your photos. Get creative and experiment with different colors to achieve the look you want. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the background color of an image in Photoshop. See you on my next video.